In February of 2020, a state-run Chinese research institute seeks a patent on the use of remdesivir to treat coronavirus, based on the results of a single patient. In April of 2020, Anthony Fauci cited a study which he said proved remdesivir could block coronavirus. He claimed the study showed that remdesivir was safe and efficacious in the use against the Ebola virus in 2018 and 2019. But this was a lie. If one were to actually look at the study, which was testing 4 different drugs against Ebola virus, they will find that the safety board pulled remdesivir out of the trial 6 months early because over 50% of patients who received it died. Fauci quoted a second study in support of his mandating the use of remdesivir, a study conducted by the makers of remdesivir, wherein 53 patients with COVID were administered the drug for 10 days. 23% of them suffered from multiple organ dysfunction syndrome, septic shock, and acute kidney injury. 8% of them had to be taken off the drug after only 5 days because it was killing them. After the CCP and Fauci recommended the use of remdesivir, the U.S. secured the world's supply and began treating Americans with it. COVID patients immediately began suffering kidney failure, which was then blamed on COVID, even though studies by the manufacturer show that remdesivir causes it in 23% after only a few days. When the kidneys fail, the lungs fill with liquid, which is how thousands have died in the hospitals, being put on ventilators, and it's all being blamed on COVID. But if we read the fine print, we see that this is to be expected with remdesivir.